All right. It is now Sunday, December 25th. We're in Cheverly. Gonna assess the snow. Hopefully we can make it 7-Eleven. I'm interested in the coffee, so that's the mission we're on right now. As you can see, Chase, one of his buoys just got knocked off. Just gonna keep trucking. Pretty steep hill. Hopefully we don't slip. It's crazy. Please, come on. Another boot down. He's taking a poop. We got a booty down. Had to go pick up. His jacket came off. He's ready to just get that dog in him going. Chase, come on, come on. I did put paw wax barrier on him so that his feet are protected from the elements. And boy, are there elements. We'll check in as we get closer to 7-Eleven. Signing out. All right, so checking in here. We are closer to the 7-Eleven. Still coming down pretty good. We just walked down the street. There was a bunch of sledders having fun. That's what I'd be doing if I was a kid again. You know, I can still do it as an adult. Anyway. Chase, come on. Barely see that cone. Looks like it's snowed about, let's say maybe 6 to 8 inches. All right, here we are, checkpoint. Not many cars on the road. I don't think there was one car that passed by. Got the Boss salt trucks. All right, let's get this coffee. We'll be back. Looks like there's a car spinning out. Chase. Hey, back up. Over here. Uh-oh, this guy's stuck. Chase. So apparently that guy was a tenant picking up his landlord from the Cheverly metro station, and he got stuck in the snow. Snow watch, snow gate. Come on, Chase. Woo. All right, we'll check in a bit. Over and out. Oh, woo. It is windy. It is chilly. It is snowy. We are back with another check-in. Chase seems to be doing fine. Booty free apparently is the way to be for him. For me, I need those. I wonder if anyone else is bold enough to go on a walk in the neighborhood on a day like today. Chase making me spill my coffee. Chase. Relax. Chase does not seem fazed at all. Whew. We're about halfway back to the house, and my hands are pretty freezing right now. We'll see in a bit. Here we are. Home sweet home. Oh, good boy. Oh, goodness. Oh, Chase, what a walk, huh? We're going to the house? All right. That was our neighborhood stroll. We made it back. Snow has not stopped, but that's all for us.